Singing Chris Brown yesterday. Yesterday I fell in love. Today feels like my funeral. I just got hit by a bus. Should've been so beautiful. Don't know why I gave my heart, gave my trust, gave everything. You think that if I had a chance to do it over again, I'll do something different, make better decisions, save me from my ignorance. But I keep making the same mistakes before I see the danger, but I go forward. I'm sitting here trying to keep my composure, knowing inside I'm broken and tore up. She got me gone, I'm on it like a drug. I try to go, but end up wanting more. Stuck in my head, vivid as a picture. I wanna be clean, but I can't get rid